Tesla Model S Service Mode is a diagnostic interface primarily designed for authorized technicians. It provides access to advanced diagnostics, error codes, component testing, and configuration tools not available in the standard user interface. While Tesla discourages unauthorized access, some owners explore it for educational or troubleshooting purposes. Be aware that accessing service mode without authorization may void your warranty and potentially cause unintended issues. As of 2026, Tesla has integrated an AI diagnostics assistant in service mode through the V2025.3 firmware update. This assistant uses machine learning to suggest diagnostic steps based on vehicle data. Security has been enhanced with requirements for a service key, which can be a USB device or digital token provided to authorized service centers to unlock full diagnostic access. Unauthorized access is now blocked by firmware locks, and Tesla strongly warns against using third-party bypass tools. To access service mode using the touchscreen method, first ensure your Model S is in park mode. Then, locate the Tesla T logo at the bottom left of the touchscreen. Press and hold the T logo for 5 to 10 seconds. A service mode prompt will appear. Select it to enter. Note that this method works on models with software version 2024.44 or later, but newer versions may prompt for a PIN or service key. For older or non-touchscreen setups, try this alternative method. Hold the scroll wheel and center button on the center console simultaneously while turning on the vehicle. However, post-2025 models primarily use the touchscreen entry method. This alternative method may not work on all models. Service mode in the Tesla Model S provides deep access to the vehicle's electronic control units, enabling comprehensive diagnostics, real-time monitoring, and system calibrations that ensure optimal performance and safety. Electronic control units, or ECUs, are the brain of the vehicle's systems. These specialized computers manage everything from battery health to autonomous driving features. In service mode, technicians can access units like the battery management system for energy monitoring, autopilot modules for self-driving capabilities, and drivetrain controllers for motor and power delivery. The battery management system, or BMS, is particularly crucial in electric vehicles like the Model S. It monitors cell voltages, temperatures, and relay states through dedicated circuits and microcontrollers, ensuring safe and efficient battery operation. Service mode enables powerful diagnostic capabilities. Technicians can scan for diagnostic trouble codes, or DTCs, which are standardized error identifiers that pinpoint specific issues. Real-time monitoring provides live data on critical parameters like battery voltage, motor temperatures, and system pressures. Component testing verifies the functionality of brakes, suspension systems, and various sensors. DTC codes follow specific formats, such as BMS for battery-related issues or AP for autopilot problems, helping technicians quickly identify and resolve vehicle concerns. Calibration ensures all systems work harmoniously. Service mode allows precise wheel alignment adjustments after tire changes, module resets following firmware updates, and access to advanced technical settings for performance tuning and developer options. For autonomous features, calibration often involves sensor alignment and testing, ensuring radar, cameras, and LiDAR systems detect obstacles and road conditions accurately for safe operation. Modern versions of Tesla Model S service mode require a Tesla-issued service key or PIN to prevent misuse. This authentication ensures only authorized access to advanced diagnostics. Without proper authentication, you can access basic vehicle information, but not the full diagnostic tools. This limitation protects the vehicle's systems from unauthorized changes. Service mode includes built-in fail-safes for safety. For example, it will automatically exit if the vehicle detects unsafe conditions, such as open doors. Procedures for accessing service mode can vary depending on the model year and installed firmware. Always check the latest Tesla documentation for your specific vehicle. Unauthorized entry into service mode is risky. It can void your vehicle's warranty and potentially cause damage to the vehicle's systems if changes are made improperly. Tesla is evolving its diagnostic capabilities with cloud-based systems and AI automation. Tesla is moving toward cloud-based diagnostics with remote service mode, allowing technicians to access vehicle diagnostics over the internet. Future versions are expected to become fully AI automated, with the vehicle self-diagnosing issues and contacting service centers autonomously. Cybersecurity enhancements, such as biometric or token-based access, are also expected. Experts emphasize service mode is a double-edged sword, essential for efficient repairs, but dangerous in untrained hands. Tesla's internal data shows a 25 to 35% efficiency gain in diagnostics since 2024 using service mode. Over 60% of Model S service visits involve diagnostic tools, with service mode being used in 80% of those cases for advanced troubleshooting. Always consult official Tesla resources or a certified technician for vehicle modifications or repairs.